What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you this brand new affiliate marketing strategy that will be making you money in your sleep. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to set up this almost completely automated, done for you method that you can use to promote various affiliate marketing offers every day of the week, 24/7, 365, without having to do any work yourself. Once you're going to set up this method, it will be working for you on complete autopilot. It's going to be promoting offers for you using a powerful piece of software that I'm going to show you in today's video that is so easy to use that even if this is your first time seeing any money making video out there, and if you're going to follow through from beginning to the end, you will know exactly how to set up this method yourself and start making some money with it too. So before we get started, smash that like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel to never miss out on any of my future uploads, hit the notification bell, and also do let me know down in the comments what is your favorite social media platform. Okay guys, so in today's video we are going to be using this top-notch marketing platform that is called HighLevel. This is a cutting-edge all-in-one sales and marketing platform that you can use to promote anything and everything, and it's already hosting over 20,000 agencies, contacting 1.2+ million businesses. It has generated over 622 million leads already, and the conversions happening because of this platform are counted in billions. So if you're looking for a platform that you can use for anything and everything, from creating your landing pages, from creating your own brand, to capturing new leads and promoting it to your potential customers, and do all of this from one single place, from under one roof, HighLevel is exactly the platform that you're looking for. It really doesn't matter if you are an affiliate marketer looking for some platform that you can use to set up high quality, powerful funnels, high converting funnels to promote your affiliate offers, or if you own a business and you want to create a website and a brand for yourself and keep in touch with your customers. What I highly recommend is that you go to the first link in the video description and check out a free trial of HighLevel for yourself and see all the powerful features that I'm going to show you in just a couple of seconds for yourself, and maybe try set up this method that I'm going to show you in today's video to make some money online. So what you want to do is go to the first link in the video description and sign up for your free trial of HighLevel platform. Then what you want to do is go to clickbank.com and we are going to grab ourselves an affiliate product. If you've never been to ClickBank before, what you want to do is create your account, and to save a couple of minutes of your time, you want to click on this login button right here. You don't want to click on the start button, you want to click on the login, and as you can see down here, you get the option to create an account right here. If you're going to do it this way, you will skip this little annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers, and that's going to save you a couple of minutes of your precious time. And once you sign up for your account, what you want to do is log right into it. And once you log into your ClickBank account, I want you to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. What you want to do is go to the search bar and type in there mobile. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is then filter by e-business and e-marketing, and you're going to find a couple of affiliate offers that are going to be promoting making money courses from your mobile. This is very important because in today's video we are going to be using a traffic source that's going to be coming from social media and mostly from mobile users, and this is the exact type of affiliate offer that you want to go for. For example, this one right here at the top that's called writtenappreviews.com has a gravity score of 127, which is very good for an affiliate offer, and that means it's high converting, and the average conversion on this is over $36. You can see right here that the initial conversion is $21.16, but because this offer has this recurring rebill commission of $32, this one's going to be making you money on complete autopilot for every sale of this product in the future too. So that's why this is one of the top converting offers that you want to go for. And if you're going to check out their sales page, you can see right here that it's going to start here with this 1-minute quiz, and it's going to be offering this online app review job, paying between 25 to 50 hours, paying anywhere between $25 to $50 per hour. So whoever's going to come to this sales page, all they are going to see is this 1-minute quiz and the opportunity to start working from their phone for this type of money. So what you want to do is go to this affiliate offer, you want to click on promote, and you want to grab your affiliate link. Just go ahead and type in your ClickBank nickname, which in my case is this one. Then I'm just going to click on create a hop link, and I'm going to copy my affiliate link, which is going to be displayed down here. For all the new people out there, affiliate link is a unique URL that if you're going to drive traffic to, and every time somebody's going to click on it, they will be taken to this exact same sales page, but because they are going to be taken there through your affiliate link, every time they're going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid your commission. Once you grab your affiliate link, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Instagram. You you are going to need a social media account on Instagram for this method to work, but if you don't have one already or you don't want to use your personal account for this, I highly recommend that you're going to sign up for a brand new account. You can create a dummy account that you're going to be using with this method, but if you're fine with using your personal account with this, you can just go ahead and use that one. What you need to do then is just go to HighLevel and you want to log into your account, and once you log into your brand new HighLevel account, what you want to do is go to a section on this left side where it says sub accounts and click on it. You want to create a brand new sub account, which is going to be pretty much like an agency on your HighLevel account, because on this platform you're basically managing an agency regardless of what's the point of your business. If you are an affiliate marketer, you can just go ahead and create something completely from scratch and then just go ahead and set up your own funnels, just that I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds. If you are running a business, you can choose from different topics for your business. For example, if you are a chiropractor, you can choose chiropractor templates. If you are a dentist, go ahead and do the same. Literally any business out there can set up their account on HighLevel and start building their brand using this software too. Once you're going to create your agency or your sub account on HighLevel, it's going to look something like this, and pretty much the first steps that you may want to do is set up your own website, which is going to be hosted on HighLevel, so you don't have to go hunting for any domains out there. Pretty much what you want to do is click on sites, then you want to click on create a new funnel right here, and now we've got two ways to go. You can literally start creating your funnel completely from scratch, create a blank website, create everything from scratch. What you want to do is just pretty much go ahead and choose a name for your funnel, then just click on create. Or you can go to the template library and you can choose one of these high quality templates literally for any niche out there. As you can see right here on the left side, you get all the categories that you can choose from. So pretty much any business that you may own and you want to promote it on HighLevel, you can just pretty much go ahead and choose by the niche that you're in. For example, if you are in beauty and fashion, let's check out some beauty and fashion templates. Right here you can see you can set up your own website using one of these high quality templates and then drive traffic to it to increase your conversions, to increase your sales. And this is just one of the many cool features on HighLevel that you can use to make money. But for today's method, what you want to do is pretty much go to these settings right here at the bottom, then just click on integrations, and you want to make sure you are going to connect your Instagram account to HighLevel. If you want, you can go ahead and connect your Facebook account just as well, but for this method we are going to be focusing on Instagram. And what you want to also make sure is that you're going to allow this platform to interact with your DMs. If you're going to click here, it's going to show you a small guide how to actually do that. You gotta go to your settings in your profile, then just go to privacy, go to messages, and under connected tools you want to allow access to messages. This way you will allow HighLevel to interact with your DMs on Instagram, and that's very important for this method to work. Once you do all of this, what you want to do is go back and you want to pretty much click on conversations right here in the left side on the toolbar, and you can see right here that this is going to be empty. Now don't worry, it's not going to be pulling out any old DMs from your Instagram account. All the communication happening on HighLevel is going to be just from messages that you're going to receive from the moment you're going to connect it to this platform, and I'm going to show you how it works in just a couple of seconds. For the next step, what you want to do is go to this automation button, just click on that, and you want to start by creating a new workflow. Now pretty much HighLevel is using some of the best automation features I have ever seen out there. I have tried many different platforms out there, but HighLevel's automation methods have been working flawlessly for now, and I'm going to actually show you a live proof how this method is going to work. So just make sure to keep watching, because you're going to get live proof that this is something that actually works. But to actually set this up, what you want to do is go to a section where it says add new workflow trigger. You want to click on that, and you want to go to the search bar and type in there customer replied. You want to click on this customer replied workflow trigger, and now you get to customize it a little bit. So what you want to do is go ahead and name it something if you want. For example, let's go with something like Instagram affiliate marketing strategy. Then in these filters, what you want to do is open it up and you want to add in a new filter. Then just open these filters up and you want to select reply channel, and right here on the right side you want to select Instagram DMs. This is going to focus all the replies for the Instagram account that you have connected with HighLevel. And now what you want to do is go ahead and add bunch of actions. You want to click on add your first action, and right here you can see all the options that you can use for this workflow to pretty much just drag and drop into your workflow, and it's very easy to navigate once you know what you're doing. Anything from a simple messaging sequence all the way to complicated workflow that's going to be driving your business. Even if you have hundreds or thousands of customers, it's going to be very easy to set set up something like this. For this method, what you want to do is pretty much just go to this section where it says external communication, and you can choose from all of these, from email, SMS, call, voicemail, messenger, but we are going to be focusing on this Instagram DM option right now. What you want to do is just click on it and you get to customize it. Now comes the part where you will have to create a bunch of Instagram DMs that are going to be promoting your affiliate product, and all you have to do now is just create a simple DM that's going to be sent on Instagram. I'm just going to start by naming it something like Instagram DM number 1, for example. Type the DM manually. So I'm just going with something like, did you know you can make anywhere between $25 to $50 per hour reviewing apps from your phone? Pretty much what I did was just went back to the sales page of the product that I'm going to promote, and I got inspired by something that's on the sales page. So pretty much it's offering pay anywhere between $25 to $50 per hour. So that's what I use for my DM. And actually this is going to be like a second message you're going to send out, but this is going to be the first one in the automated sequence. What you want to do is just go ahead and type in some simple message like this. You don't want to be selling anything yet, you don't want to be promoting anything right now. What you want to do is just save it by clicking this button right here, and the action is going to get saved. What you want to do then is just click on this plus button, and in the actions you want to search for wait. Just type in there wait and click on this wait action, and you want to set a time delay between the messages. So for example, right now go with something like 5 minutes, then just save the action, and you want to click on this plus button and select another Instagram DM, and this time it's going to say something like, it's very easy actually, and I'm doing it for a few days now, and it's the easiest side hustle that you can do from your phone. If you are interested, check it out here. Then just save this message just as well. And pretty much this is going to be like the first step in making this automated sequence. What you want to do now is just go ahead and add yet another wait action, and this time you're going to add in there a delay of days actually. Click on days and you want to select, for example, delay of 1 day, then just add it into your workflow, and then go ahead and add yet another Instagram DM, and this time write something like, hey, I hope you're doing well, I just thought about the last message I sent you, blah 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 blah. If you want to learn how to make money on internet using AI, check this out. Then just go back to ClickBank and choose yet another affiliate product that you may want to promote, and because I mentioned AI in the DM, I'm going with this conversion bot leading AI bot platform, which has gravity score of 47.98, but it has an average conversion of $271. So just do the same thing, click on promote, fill in your ClickBank nickname, get your affiliate link, and you want to copy and paste it into the HighLevel Instagram DM, and then just save the message just as well. What you want to do right now is just the exact same process. You want to add another wait option from the list, and you want to add another delay of couple of days, for example. Let's go with 3 days this time, and you want to add it in there. Then just go ahead and type in yet another short Instagram DM promoting some product from ClickBank or from any other affiliate marketplace for that matter, but make sure you're going to stick to the niche. Just make sure you are going to pick a bunch of products that are in the same niche. Create this automated sequence on Instagram, and then what you want to do is make sure you are going to save it and make sure it's going to get published. You need to switch this slider to publish because otherwise it's not going to work. This is very important. So just go ahead and save it and publish it, and it's going to get saved. Now what you want to do is go to these conversations on HighLevel, and it's still going to be empty. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a live demonstration how this automated sequence work. So you will see this is something actually that you can set up yourself, and it's going to be working for you. And for that, what I'm going to do is go to Instagram, and I'm going to search for this Instagram account, which is pretty much one of my old dummy accounts that I haven't been using for some time now. And I'm going to show you how this works between 2 of my Instagram accounts, so you see the live proof that these messages are getting delivered, and the products you are going to be promoting are going to get traffic to the sales page. So right now you should be able to see both my laptop screen and my phone screen at the same time. So I'm going to show you how this works live, and I'm going to write a message to my dummy account. So I'm just going to say something like, hey, have you ever thought about making money online? Hit enter, and as you can see, it's going to get delivered to my phone. I'm just going to open it up and pretend I do not know this guy who just messaged me, and he's asking a legitimate question. Have I ever thought about making money online? And I'm just going to reply, but before I do that, I'm going to show you on HighLevel how this actually works. You get this conversation panel right here, and once I'm going to reply from my dummy account, right here you can see the conversation has popped up on HighLevel, and this automated message has been sent out right after I received a reply. Now I'm going to wait for 5 minutes because it actually takes a 5 minutes to get another message from the automation sequence because I have put the 5-minute option in there. And in the meantime, I'm going to show you that is the exact same chat box. You can see right here that all the messages that you will be seeing on Instagram are going to be seen on HighLevel, but all this is going to happen after the person is going to reply to you. Before they reply to you, you're not going to see any messages on the HighLevel Instagram plugin. But once they're going to reply, all the messages are going to be sent out on complete autopilot. So you can pretty much just close your laptop, go to work, go outside, go to sleep, or whatever you have to do. And these messages are going to be sent out on complete autopilot. And by the way, I'm not touching my laptop or anything, and any minute now the automated message number 2 is going to be sent out. Just like that right here, you can see exactly 5 minutes. I mean, it's a little bit over 5 minutes. It's anywhere between 5 to 6 minutes, yet another automated message is going to be sent out, and this time it's going to contain affiliate link. And once somebody is interested in what you are actually offering, they're going to click on the affiliate link. They will be taken to the sales page. Which is going to be doing the selling process for you. And once they're going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid. Now, because the next message that I planned for this automation sequence is delayed by a couple of days, actually. I mean, but all these messages are going to be sent out on complete autopilot once you're going to set this up, promoting your affiliate links, and that way you will get traffic and that way you will get sales. Now, because of the workflow trigger that we have input in there, the person needs to reply to your DM first for you to be able to send these automated messages. For that, what you want to do is go to Instagram and, for example, go to search bar and type in "make money online," and you want to go to one of these groups that are being followed by hundreds or thousands of people. For example, this group right here has almost 87,000 followers, and what you want to do is open these followers up, and you can see right here all these people, because they follow this page, are probably interested in making money online. Then what you want to do is just go ahead and start following these people, and pretty much by following these people you will be able to message them. Go ahead and open their profile, for example this person right here. Because I have followed him on Instagram, I'm able to send him a direct message. So I'm just going to do exactly that. Click on message, and I'm going to write him this simple message that says, "Did you ever thought about making money online?" I'm just going to click on send, and now once this person is going to reply to my message, he will start receiving messages from the automated sequence, which is going to be promoting different affiliate marketing products to him. And all you need to do now is just go ahead and engage as many people as possible on your Instagram. Go to yet another one, and some of these will have to accept your follow request first, but you can skip them in the meantime. Just keep focusing on these that you can actually send message to at first. Keep copying and pasting the exact same message, send it to as many people as possible, and that way you will engage them in this automated workflow on HighLevel, start promoting affiliate offers to them, and start making money. Now, granted, this is going to take some time to actually start kicking in, but the more messages you're going to send, the more people you are going to engage in your automation sequence, and the more messages you plant in this sequence, the higher the chance you're going to make money. Now, this entire method is possible thanks to this awesome platform called HighLevel. So if you want to try this method out, or if you want to just check out HighLevel platform, see if it can actually make difference to your business, just go to the first link in the video description and check out a free trial of HighLevel. Now, if you're thinking if it's worth it to actually try HighLevel just for this one method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer you not one but 2 more videos what you can use to make money with HighLevel after trying out this one. So it's definitely going to be worth checking out that link in the video description. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.